Nature is the world around us. We all human beings depend on nature, every time and for everything. Many people admire the beauty of nature and even write many novels and poems on it. This is because the beauty of nature cannot express in one single word or saying. It provides the humans, animals, and all living beings on the earth a place to live with the joy of natural resources. Nature is the mother of all, as it helps to sustain our life. It is our companion since eternity. It gives us forests, which are the lungs of earth. Nothing compares to nature's beauty. If you truly love nature, you can find beauty everywhere. Nature is real. Nature is life.